In today's Senior Spotlight, we're talking women in estate planning. And far too often, women face unique challenges in managing their estates and ensuring their legacies. And joining us this morning is attorney Samantha Gordon and also Mr. Greg McIntyre from McIntyre Elder Law. And we want to start right here. There's a lot of challenges that women face here, but why is this so crucial about women in estate planning?
I believe that there are three crucial elements that women should really think about when they're thinking about estate planning. For one, women have longer life expectancies than men. The average is 10 years. Also, they're usually the primary caretaker of their families, and their families run because they're the one that is running them. And then also financial disadvantages. If they maybe put their career on hold, because they wanted to take care of the kids, that's something to consider and make sure that they're speaking with their spouse, that there's a plan in place if something happens to that breadwinner.
And these challenges that women face, there's a lot that they have to go ahead and consider and deal with.
There's so much. The majority of our clients, I would say maybe 2/3, those contacts are initiated by women because they have concerns. They are the ones that are left holding the bag to take care of maybe their husband's parents and their parents. I mean, our target audience is a 57-year-old female. There's a reason for that, because that's who's left to do that. And then us guys, we check out early a lot of times.
Yes, we do.
We peace out of this world and leave our wife, for example, to really take care of everything. So, I work with a lot of women to help them navigate those situations. And it's really concerning to me as a man that the women are the ones that are initiating that planning so much.
How are you helping them navigate these waters?
Sure. So understanding what their family background is very important. Also understanding their assets. A lot of the times if women are not the breadwinner, maybe the husband is handling the finances. The women should understand what goes into the household, what assets they have, what needs to be protected if something happens to either of them. How are the kids going to be handled? So for example, who's going to take care of the children? Who's going to be their guardian if something happens to either of them? You want to make sure that they're really taking inventory on that and they have a plan in place if something happens to either of them.
Putting in place ways that professional caregiving can be done, right? Taking those things into account, literally into account, an accounting of how that can happen and setting up an estate plan to make that happen.
So is this estate plan only, for married women? Is this for single, divorced women? What?
No, certainly. Divorced, single. If you have a situation where you're a single mom and the other parent is not involved in the picture, maybe parental rights were terminated. Who's going to take care of those children if something were to happen to you?
And we want to clear up confusion and drama even after you die, okay?
Gotcha.
And the way to do that is to be specific and clear in wills, trusts, things like that, to make sure that we're not hired to do litigation surrounding that. I mean, that's where that comes from. So, yeah.
You guys offer a free consultation.
We do. We've done something special today, Eugene. We have a special URL and landing page we've set up for mcelderlaw.com/women. mcelderlaw.com/women. There's a lot of information specific to women there. Sam's done an amazing job putting all that together. And we would offer, you have a chance on that page to sign up for a free consult to come see myself, Sam, one of our attorneys, and really talk about planning and taking care of yourself.
And Eugene, I would also like to add in 2024 a little plug to the seminars that I'm going to be holding. We're doing a Sip and Plan seminar series where I specifically will be having a girls' night at least once a month and meeting with women and talking about these specific issues.
Thank you guys for being here indeed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please don't wait till it's too late.